last two lecture series we have discussed about the heat engines, and then we have discussed about the classifications of ice engines. So today we are going to discuss about the working of an ice engines. Okay. So before going to the working of ice engines, we must know about the basic terms in the ice engines. Okay. So have you heard about this by seeing this? What is this? It is an engine. Based on the previous class, can you tell this is a single cylinder or multi-cylinder? Single cylinder. Okay. And can you tell whether it is an petrol engine or diesel engine? Diesel. How many of you are diesel engine? Okay. How you are telling this is a diesel engine? Can anyone tell me? By seeing something, you can tell this is a diesel engine. By which component? Ignition. How? Very good. What he has told is, so there is no spark plug in this engine, so that by seeing this we can tell this is an diesel engine. Okay. So any idea about this cooling and all? But it's not available. Maximum this is an water. Okay. So here in the ice engines, what is the basic operations takes place is, these are the four operations takes place. Okay. So one is suction. So here this is an inlet valve and this is an outlet valve. Here there is a piston connecting rod. So initially what happens is, we must know what is the basic terms. So this piston will be moving from the top to the bottom. This piston will be moving from the top to the bottom. So when the piston moves upwards and then it returns downwards. So that particular point is called as top dead center. Okay. And the piston comes downwards and then it moves at a point it returns. That is called as bottom dead center. Okay, top dead center, bottom dead center. Okay, what is top dead center? The piston moves to a topmost part and then it returns back. That topmost part is called as TDC. And the bottommost part is called as BDC. Okay. So the distance moved from TDC to BDC is called as stroke. It is called as a stroke. Are you understand? So now, initially when the distance moves from TDC to BDC, what happens is air comes inside. That is called as suction stroke. Can anyone tell me how the air is coming inside by just moving this cylinder? Can anyone tell me? What is the principle behind that? Suckings. But how the air comes inside? Okay, air filter is coming. So what is telling is, this is the air filter, air is coming inside. But what is some basic principle is behind this? Okay, very good. Inlet valve is coming. Another thing. Any idea?
Power can be split.
No, piston. I am asking is how the air is coming inside. Just we are moving the piston, but how the air is coming inside?
When the piston moves down, petrol and air mixture from carburetor comes through the inlet valve and flows inside.
Okay. I am asking is how it is coming. Now we are discussing about the diesel engine. So I will tell you what is happening. So when the piston is coming from the TDC to BDC, here a vacuum space is created. The vacuum space is, empty space is created. So that pressure is lesser than the atmospheric pressure. Can you understand? That pressure is less than the atmospheric pressure. So what happens whenever there is a pressure is lesser, the air will go from the high pressure area to the low pressure area. That is why when the piston is coming downwards, here the pressure will be lesser. So automatically atmospheric pressure will be more. So that air from the high atmospheric pressure comes to the lower pressure. So this you have to understand clearly. Okay. So like this, what happens is, again the piston moves upwards. Here the both the valves will be closed. Okay. So this is now. So when the piston comes from TDC to BDC, so some amount of volume is there. So that volume is called as stroke volume. That volume is called as stroke volume. What is stroke volume? the volume from the top dead center to bottom dead center, or the area where the piston moves. Okay. My next question is the cylinder will touch the top edge? No. Why? Because there is some gap. So that empty space is called as vacuum space, or it is called as clearance volume. It is called as clearance volume. So here, so what is the total volume of this engine? Clearance volume plus stroke volume. So these are the basic terms: top dead center, bottom dead center, stroke volume, clearance volume. Okay, what is the total volume? Stroke volume and clearance volume. Okay, can you understand? So this is the basic terms which are. Then the next topic we will discuss about the components. Okay, thank you.